The Avaya Phone System. If you're still running the Avaya 18D phone or the Avaya 1416 phone, you're running great communications. These powerful multi-line phone systems put the power in the hands of small to medium-sized businesses like yours. From multi-line phone systems to remote cloud phone systems, Avaya is the benchmark of communications for yesterday and today. Avaya Office phone systems like the Merlin to the Avaya IP Office phone system. We help businesses keep and maintain their current phone system as well as upgrade them to new modern communications. Avaya Phone Repair, Avaya Phone Support, and Avaya Sales.
Available and feature-rich phone system solutions, Atlantic Business Systems, phone repair, upgrades, and new phone installations. Call us today or visit absphones.com.